In this video, we will be looking at the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense describes actions that were completed before a point in the past. The sentence makes it clear that the action has already finished. To form the past perfect tense, we use the word had and add it to the beginning of a past tense verb. Let's take a look at some examples. The team had played an excellent game of basketball. The cat had signed its name on a piece of paper. The buzzard had flown for many miles. For our first question, you're being asked to pick the option that completes the sentence in the past perfect tense. The Kings, their last game of chess. The options are played, had plays, and are playing. Which of these options follows the rule to make the past perfect tense? That's right, it's had played. This option uses the word had and a past tense verb and makes it clear that the game has already finished. The Kings had played their last game of chess is written in the past perfect. In this question, you're being asked to tick the sentence that is written in the past perfect tense. Let's take a look at the options. She had won the trophy. She won the trophy. She was winning the trophy. She had winned the trophy. Have you spotted the sentence that's written in the past perfect? Well done if you said she had won the trophy. This option uses the word had and the correct past tense form of the verb win. For your final question, you're being asked to rewrite the sentence below so that it's in the past perfect tense. You may wish to write your answer on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may wish to say your answer out loud. Pause your video now and hit play when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great. Let's take a look at the sentence. The boxing wizard wears magic gloves. The answer is, the boxing wizard had worn magic gloves. We've changed the verb wears to the past tense wore and added had at the beginning of it. Well done if you got that answer right. If you are looking for even more SPaG help, then we have lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.